I'ma pick you up in a Cadillac like a gentleman, bring it glamour back, keep it real to real in the way I feel. I could walk you down the aisle, I wanna do you like Michael, I wanna kiss you like Prince. Let's get it on like Marvin Gaye, like Hathaway. Write a song for you like this. You're over my head, I'm out of my mind, thinking I was wrong. And I don't understand, baby, why can't you?
My thoughts while filming this slime. I hope I won't regret not wearing gloves for this video. Honestly, I should be good at this by now. Let's just add a little more color. Okay, good. That's enough. Enough UGHHSHREYBB. Why am I like this? Okay, don't go down that spiral now. Eggplant color. I had eggplant lasagna yesterday. It must be good but kinda wet.
So this is love. So this is love.
If you go down in the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. If you go down in the woods today, you better go in disguise. For every bear that ever there was will gather there for certain, because today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic.
Rating ASMR sounds from my tiny mic, part 13. 9 out of 10. 5 tenths. 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 8 to 10.
Let's have TikTok introduce the new slimes dropping this set. Honeycomb snail mochi. I wanna just stick a spoon in the jar and eat it, but that feels illegal. This feels like mochi My Melody sparkling sorbet. The room smells like candy now and honestly not mad about it. Okay, this swirl looks like a rose. Mom, I'm an artist pie. Comes a mini cup of peach pie filling. This is so satisfying. Rip my stress and anxiety heat. Lavender salt hand scrub. The fact that none of the amethyst crystals drop. This exfoliates my hands so nicely they feel like a baby's Peppa Pig crispy treats. These actually exist IRL. These bubble pops are so loud they scare me sometimes.
She ain't trying it. He keep calling me crime. Dance how you killed this. I understood the assignment. 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 All my piped up. Then you find like drugs.
sure of a big surprise. If you go down in the woods today, you better go in disguise. For every bear that ever there was, together there for so
Reading ASMR sounds from my tiny mitt, part 12.
Nine, 10. 10 a 10. 4 10. 8 to 10. Tenths.
My thoughts while filming these slimes. Look at that facey, I'm deceived. This is so bright my eyes are not okay. 8 times to make this swirl please, don't be ugly. Okay, you cute yacht AJ. Wait, this doesn't have a label. I want to step on these cubes. Yes. Why? My thumb is so dry for someone who has 8 hand creams. Not the bubbles giving me trypophobia. Can someone make this into a pillow for me thin? This slime is prettier than I'll ever be lol. Hey, by Miss Bear. Imagine if this slime was made of real candy OMG. Hold up, I feel like I forgot to install Charmo. OMG, this isn't creepy at all.
So far for you, so far for you. And just like that, all I breathe, all I feel, you are all for me. I feel just like that, all I breathe, all I
if you go down in the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. If you go down in the woods today,
my friend in them. Oh, best friends, we can. No new friends, get rid of them. Oh, these new ones, yeah, I ain't feeling them. Yeah, it's just me and my friend in them. That loyalty, everything. I don't hang with go. Be killing my energy. Ain't bringing us into the table.
Be the only one who hears you. Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room.
She talking it, she ain't trying it. He keep calling me crying, bitch. Damn, tell you killed this. I understood the assignment. I understood the assignment.
My thoughts while filming these slimes. This pink is so bright, rip my camera. How many stickers would I need to cover my entire room? Asking for a friend. Do PPL know who Kuromi is though? Should have thought of this before making this slime. Okay, is it just me or are the blue parts There are cows called Belgian blue cows, but they aren't actually Why do I know these facts but not how to read them out? I already know I'm gonna make a mess, just wait for it. Gotta get this super soaked so it's extra messy, yes. My hand's about to look kinda sus. That piece of slime stuck in the lid. One of these days, I'm going to break the jar on camera. My table is so creaky, how rude. Is this slime going to get weird comments lol? I'd eat this cereal for breakfast every day TBH. The sun RLY said so I'm filming in artificial lighting yikes.